Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
I greet you all. Good evening, my people. Good evening. Please help me to share. Rita Bajere, good evening, my dear sister. We are talking about politics tonight. You know how we dey do it. We dey like to share our own opinion. We dey like to still talk, put for some things wey be say they affect the state. Before we begin the chook mouth put for other people for Nigeria, but it good make we still talk about our own first. Make we know. Now, good evening, my people. Kingsley Omo, I greet you, my brother. Good evening, you are welcome. Please help me to share. My main topic this evening is, you know, some of us, you know, when the something go just the rain, we'll just carry on, within few months time, the thing go just cool down. Everybody go just carry it back, forget what thing happen. You know? Now, our Governor Godwin Obaseki for Edo State, he come out last year, complain where say na so Baba Oshomole not letting rest. He say he not letting drink water. When he dey APC, he no fit drink water, put up for ground. He no fit do anything. Even work, he no fit do work. Even then they ask and say make him begin dey share money. He no gree share money. Now he make them begin dey worry him, they disturb him. Where he no fit use that 4 years stay work. That's how we hear am, my people. A lot of people hear am. We hear. Even there was one thing I was glancing through this evening. Oga Pepesu, good evening, sir. There was one thing I was reading this evening for Google. I tell you last time, say most of the projects, all of them, they Google. It dey Facebook. Then they're not dey grant for Edo State. I not even feel say Bini, because if I say Bini, it means say I just dey classify as a normal thing. But at the end of the day, I will say that they Bini, Christina Mokao, I greet. Please help me to share. Help me to share, because it's good me with the talk some truth, put for some things. Okay, now governor come out. Now so he say he use Baba Osho campaign, say Godfather they disturb him. Now so Godfather not let him work. Now so Godfather not let him dig gutter. Now so Godfather say make him begin share money. Now so Godfather do this. Now so Godfather, he no want Godfather. Now that one Edo people come put leg, say, oh, Baba Osho want become Godfather for Edo land. No way. I beg my people. Now Godfather reason now come make the governor begin to share money. Now that one be question where me want make we they ask. Because our sister come out now say then give him $5,000. That $5,000, to me, it go do a lot of things for Edo land. Make we ask our governor whether na comrade Adams Ali Oshomole ask her now make he give stainless that money when you share give stainless. Now so me and they talk my people. Because since you say Godfather say make you bring money, you no want give them money, you no want share those state money. Now the same Godfather now tell you now say make you give our sister that $5,000. Now that one where she talk come out now we all know. What about the rest people where envelope they transfer for their hand? Where be say nobody green no. What about the rest people for Edo land where be say envelope even go reach China kpata. So the Chinese people they be one even start to they speak Bini language. Where they sign MOU for Edo land. Chinese be one start to they speak Bini. Where they sign MOU for Edo land. Because not be ordinary hand person go carry. Not be ordinary hand you will take bring person from all the way from China. Make it come your land. Now money. na money. Mr. Governor, sir, I beg. Now, Comrade Adams Ali Oshomole tell you, say, make you come sign MOU with those people where the MOU not fulfill. Now, question me I ask, because all those video, everything, it there for Google. It there Google. I not just carry this matter, say I want to talk am. It there Google. But at the end of the day, you begin share money. That money where you give one person, so that $5,000. Every Joe, good evening, my brother. That $5,000 where you give one person, that money go clear Yaro. He go clear gutter for Saple Road. Just go Yaro, go pack those people where be say even 2,000 naira. Some people they do their job, then go get 2,000 naira. 2,000 naira as a day job. Some if they walk away, then go get 5,000 naira take carry goers. At least those people, give them shovel, give them hoe. May they take dig those gutter where surround Benin City where be say the water not they flow. You go see say that 5,000 naira go do a lot of work for Edo people. May we they talk truth. That $5,000 go do a lot of things for Edo people. He go put smile for a lot of Edo people mouth. Then go begin the smile say yes, water they flow. We know they match, but do you know the meaning of say erosion? That erosion, some people they shit. Peace, name it all. Even the dustbin where it be say they never pack. Everything full inside that erosion where it be say water they sweep, they go different places. All on a part of diseases. All on a part of sickness where it be say it dey the country where it be say no gree finish. And many governors, many politicians, they know they think about all those things. Say, these things we not get place where it be say we just they put dustbin. That at the end of the day, these things go just there. Whereby it no go affect common human being. That is the poor people, not be people like Una, where they jump from AC to AC. The people where be say then they walk along the road. Now those people they suffer all this dirty. Now those people they suffer all this erosion problem because this shit where person go shit for inside that gutter now. Rain can't wash am. Some people it go enter their clothes, it go enter even their mouths. Some drivers, if they even they drive, they go. You go see the way they'll take pour water for person body. If care is not taking that water, go spray for all the body. At the end of the day, the person don't carry sickness. Go be that. Una know they think about all those ones before una begin they dash money out. Before una begin they share money out. This now this inner secret. A lot of people don't go Osadebe Avenue. Then don't go Osadebe Avenue. Only God know how many dollar follow hand where he be say. He say they say making share money. Where you dey APC? They say making share money. They say make even there was one video I watched this evening. Say the president say made them build the political party from scratch. Made them build the APC from crash. That one a last year video. Say now so then tell them made them build that to the constitution. The thing where me want to ask Governor Godwin Obaseki this evening now. PDP when he just enter now. Now yeah. The chairman, the national chairman of PDP, now he still tell her make he do that one. That is Mr. Sekondo. Now he tell Mr. Governor now say make he build PDP from the scratch now. Is a question. I been a Comrade Adams Ali Oshomole now. Still tell her now they disturb her for PDP now. Now that one be all those things where be say a lot of people know they think about. That's one governor go come, he go use one thing, take sing. He never even reach 2 years. He don't go another political party. They create the same problem for that party. Who can be the problem of Edo land, my people? Who can be the problem? Is it the comrade or our governor? Now it be the problem where he be say, if they destroy one party to another. The governor come up from APC, he go PDP. At the end of the day, now still the same problem. Now still the same problem. Because now waiting in you still sing now. Now some people carry for head say, oh, they say make you share those money. And meanwhile, me are they ask now, whether now the people will tell her make you share those state money, now the same people still tell her, make you give our sister $5,000 or make you give them money. Those social media people, now see the same people now, tell the governor, make the governor begin pay them. How can you be in APC? You create the same problem. PDP where you just enter, suspend this one here, suspend that one here, suspend the other one here. Just come begin to become the order of the day. The governor is hurting. The truth, if really we want just look this thing, now our governor, now he want impose himself as godfather. The truth. Now Governor Godwin Obaseki want become the emperor of Edo State. Now he want become the godfather. He want try become godfather for the land. Not be saying that is at the end of the day, because now this governor we begin the year, this one they suspend this one they remove her from Abuja come house, this one not get NDDC chairman, this one not get. It was just playing. The governor they rule Edo State as his own personal business. You know, when you be CEO of something, you get the way where you take the press the draft because now your company. Now the same method the governor they use for Edo land. That anybody will not agree. Please help me to share. Like, just help me to share. Make it be say people will be say then some of Edo people then get amnesia. Some of Edo people then get problem where be say they know they think go back say this man tell us this thing say they say make him share money but he know they share money. But at the end of the day, now social media here we come the year say he pay 800,000 to each person. On top of that, each person where he be say he not do anything for the land. They not go dig gutter. They not go dig gutter. They not even carry shovel or carry this thing. Carry go even the gelegele made them go they dig am. So that made the sheep for the land for gelegele. They not even at the end of the day they get 800,000 for each person. Not to even talk of Edo people where they abroad here. Where be say they still pack money from here. Carry go Benin go give the town crier, the governor boys, the mouthpiece of the governor. It's going 1 year now where you don't enter PDP now. And at the end of the day, he not work with PDP name. He never even do one thing now for PDP name. Now say this na PDP map for Edo land. He know they. Because PDP themselves, they too not see get good name there. But at the end of the day, the governor is just wanting to sing the party down. How can you come and meet people in their own party? Now you beg for help, they help you. The thing when me I come they talk now comrade Adams and Leo Shomole now still tell her make he share 15 billion, give PDP. He no want share money, then say make him share money. Now comrade now come still tell her make he share 15 billion, give PDP. Where he come be say today now, in they let the people know now say this una party I don't buy am. This una party I don't buy am. I don't buy am. So whatever I say goes on there. Now that one be waiting the governor they do. If they oppress the people, you cannot come and meet somebody in a political party. At the end of the day, you are not the one dictating for them. You are the one dictating for them. You are not the one telling them what to do. You are not the one telling them remove this one, so that I will not put this one. Instead of you to find a way to balance the situation that okay. People will follow me come from APC, come PDP, I go give them. You share it 50-50. Position not supposed to reach everybody hand. If they're loyal to you, they're supposed to lawyer finish. Whether position reach their hand or it not reach their hand. But at the end of the day, you as a governor, you are trying to sink another person, political party where it be say they work for. Then what put for the party, Mr. Governor? Let's be honest here. PDP people, they don't already build their structure down strong. If the structure of PDP not strong, I'm not sure say Governor Godwin Obaseki go pay 15 billion for that party. Say he want enter by all means. You should have. Why he not pay the money? Give Showore AAC. Why he not pay the money, give a court party? Why he not pay the 15 billion, give UPP? Give other political party where he did the land? That at the end of the day, because he don't see and say the party structure strong for grant, then go fit help him survive the political heat where he get. If not be say betrayer, we all know wetin go on. We all know wetin go on. Why the governor, Edobo, I greet you, my brother. Why the governor no go other political party go pay 15 billion? You see, you bought see, that last year, now Edo State get the most expensive. When they say person want the camp, now Governor Godwin Obaseki hand, we can't see and say, you must pay to become a member. PDP card is the most expensive political party in Edo land or even in Nigeria. Because he pay 15 billion, go give even the federal level, second all of them eat for the money. Now he make the PDP chairman now. Pardon, sir. Domo. Now he make PDP, Pataju, Domosa. Now he make PDP now. The PDP for Edo State now. Come they write the federal level now say, una don't collect 15 billion from this man hand. But the man now want destroy the PDP for Edo land. The same way you destroy APC for Edo land. How can one person destroy political party in Edo land and then he go another party where he still rescue her from the heat? He say APC they pursue at that time now waiting he tell Edo. Then he can't carry himself. He can't carry PDP card. Is the most expensive card though. For all political, let me just say, when we talk about history of politics in Nigeria, now PDP card come they expensive pass, and that expensive where it for expensive now Edo land. Economic master, investment banker, bought PDP card with 15 billion. Our governor that is an investment banker, please help me to share. They are trying to bring my video down. They are always like that. You know, when the governor, he bought a card just to say, I'll not be APC again, no, I'll become PDP with 15 billion. Not be the one where they settle the 3 candidates before. Una not say Ogbede Yama. We know the year of Ogbede Yama now. Only God know how much it pay that one off. Rice Man. We know the year of Rice Man again. Rice Man where he talk one time say, now so governor don't build hospital across 18 local government. We not see the hospital till today for Edo land. Say he don't build hospital across 192 wards for Edo land. Till today we never see the hospital. We never see him. I think another one, Gideon or so. I don't know the surname. Those 3 candidates of PDP them, we hear say now millions, now dollar in te pay. Not be even naira. Foreign currency. Foreign currency. How can economic guru and economic master be using foreign currency to the camp? Edo people. $10 million. Just to pay one person. Just because. Good evening, my brother Obayuana. Just because he won the camp. We know here for Ogbede Yamatin today. Because that one, he pay him till that one satisfied. Before that one step down. PDP is the most expensive political party in the history of Nigeria. We should say the truth. All these things, na Edo money. Na Edo money. Now, he come they tell them now say, I bought you all. Destroy your structure for me. Destroy. Okay, Gideoni Ihini. Okay, you see? He buy all of them. He pay all of them. All of them step down for him. Even those, there was a video I watched that time. Even when Ogbede Yama, they say, he will never step down. He will never step down. The next thing we hear, he don't step down. All of them come begin to sing. Iyo, iyo. Governor Obaseki and Shaibo. Iyo, iyo. We were surprised. Even the rice man where he say, lie, lie. Over his dead body, he no go ever come down. He no go ever step down for anybody. At the end of the day, when foreign currency exchange hand, they all come down for him. You can imagine. Foreign currency where he be say, then go use they do flyover for Edo land. Exchange hand. Because I was hearing somebody, they say, today say, na party, political party, now bring money where they take campaign. So that money where in they share, na party money. Some people don't understand what they go on here. I greet you, Mama. Good evening. Can you imagine if say na political party bring money, where then they share? Which political party want come bring money? Where in carry Edo State 15 billion naira, you stay buy card from party hand. Now see that party want come return the money given. Make una ask me, my people. Now see that same party where he pay 15 billion raw cash, give them. Now that party, now how much the party now can't give him in return when they take and pay for her? I don't think say it dey like that. Even today now, they see one write-up where they say Osakwe no holding the right. Make that one join enter house. Say Governor Wike godfather for Edo land. You know if he be godfather for Edo land. If Governor Wike can't even be godfather or even be the governor of Edo land, as we just did now, he go for good because just how many months now wait the PDP? He never work with PDP name for Edo land. If supposing that few months now when he just stay the PDP, say na Governor Wike even the PDP with that name, I believe Edo for don't get two flyover. Edo land go for don't get two flyover. I lie, my people. What did they say? If they not want, so now we can't be godfather. You see the way they are trying to brainwash a lot of people. Edo people more than not they fall for all this their trick. Nobody wanted to be a godfather over anybody. Nobody. You might have a mentor. There is no place you cannot have mentor. You understand? You will have mentor everywhere. There are people who are older than you in anything, even for school. Even for school, they get mentor. Just like class prefect those days. They get mentor where be say, there is somebody that will mentor you, nurture you that this line you're supposed to follow. I believe it was what Comrade Adams Aliyu Oshomole wanted him to succeed by all means. Adams Aliyu Oshomole wanted him to succeed by all means. Adams Aliyu Oshomole wanted Governor Godwin Obaseki to have his own legacy in Edo land, just the same way he himself had his own legacy in Edo land. But the governor said no way. Because his own legacy, what the governor wants, is in Lagos. Afri Invest. Afri Invest, that is his own legacy. Not in Edo land. Our Edo State governor legacy now for Lagos Day, not before Edo land. He no come say making con rule Edo land, making get legacy. No, he no concern owner. Because I hear say those days now he be plan well whatever. If somebody who can carry our mama money, carry our grandmama money, carry our sister money. Baba Botin, good evening, sir. You are welcome. Carry everybody money, use them for plan well. I know a lot of people those days where plan well frustrate their life. Even landlord for Benin can't even go become a tenant for village, all because of plan well. Edo State governor is a sweet talker. In the sweet, is a sweet talker. Is a smart talker. Any man by me. Any money, they are high level, they get great. Then get great. When they say this person are Yahoo Yahoo. Yahoo Yahoo get great though. Yahoo Yahoo get great. Una not see how plan where they finish those people those days. I be not be the same person come back again. Not be the same person come back again to Edo land. At the end of the day, when he come Edo land, he can't begin the sweet talk. Oh, he want to become Godfather because they are looking for something. Now, Wike now they say he want to become Godfather. He could make Wike even become Godfather for the PDP for Edo land. Since Comrade Dansali Oshomole talk, una say na Godfather. Now, Wike now. You see their life. You see some youth. There are some youth where you be say, you no go ever feel fight for them. To God who made me. Youth now be the problem of that country. Now youth. Every other country, both even overseas, so now the youth, they do uprising. But now Nigerian youth, now we see say, one political father, political mentor, don't give them small money. Now that mentor, hallelujah, then go they sing. Then no go they sing for the progress of the land. Because their pocket, their feet don't they use, the one way they use ice fish, a scubian te ya lungome. Ina con they upgrade to turkey and the catfish and other things level. With chicken level, they use and they cook a goosey soup. Before, a scubian mushroom. Mushroom now they cook. But at the end of the day now, one political mentor, because I don't think there is anything Godfather in any politics, but there is something like we call political mentor. They mentor you not to make a mistake. They mentor you to succeed. Our governor own, he own political mentor. Now, how they want to carry Edo money go Lagos where be say he don't develop. Lagos where be say he don't develop. He can't be say and the year say he PA now from Delta State where be say Edo people not get work. How can a PA to the governor come from Delta? What is wrong? A PA to the governor now from Delta State if for come Edo people. A lot of Lagos people there where they work with them. All of them are Yoruba that they speak. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Is that not backwardness? People from Lagos State can't they work for Osadebe Avenue. People from Delta State can't they work from Osadebe Avenue. At the end of the day, some novice Edo people can't they say I don't know be Lagos. I don't know be Lagos. Oh my God. Oh my God. The thing tire me for una. I shame for Edo people. Meanwhile, Lagos State people, they full inside Osadebe Avenue. Yeah, whatever. Me, I'm not angry about that. But for me, I know say Governor Sanwo-Olu no say he want carry one Edoma. Where he be say the Edoma they be go put for their office there. I don't know where your office there. For Lagos, say make it come they work there. Make them come they speak Benin inside there. I'm not sure say Sanwo-Olu go do it for us. We should be ready to say the truth. Somebody who came from Lagos, come brainwash una, come sweet talk una. Yahoo get level. Not be the one where all those boys they pull bosses for Nyash. May they come learn from Governor Godwin Obaseki hand. May they come learn. Former plan where masterminder. Because a lot of Edo people, they are not ready to wise up. The truth being told. A lot of Edo people, they are not ready to wise up. How can a governor just use one person? One political leg book a boy. Can't use and take brainwash the whole Edo people. Both diaspora. Now they are ashamed passing. Somebody way come out from Ekiadolo, College of Ekiadolo. Come out. Come come be the political mouthpiece, political leg bouquet, where be say at the end of the day, he come brainwash all of una, come recruit a lot of Edo people for social media here. All of them come they sing one music. They come they sing one music. At the end of the day, today now they come they complain now. Now they come they complain now. The political leg bouquet about Obaze, where he recruit all of them now. He know they sing hallelujah now. Now esa agenda na in day. Now esa agenda na in day. Now esa agenda na in day. Because now so they start the confusion gradually. Some people are just they pray. Because I know say now fuck up don't already did there. Now so they use Comrade Adansali Oshomole te start to the sing. Now the same way they use Pastor Segeze Yamu start to the sing. Then go start am with small music. Now about they start up. Tomorrow now you go see a lot of people where be say in go recruits come out. Come they say because they don't they suspend themselves now. They don't they suspend themselves now. This one suspend this one. The other one suspend the other one. The other one suspend the other one. At the end of the day, he can't even tell una say he give una calculation. He said for the last election that the only vote when some people give Governor Godwin Obaseki now 60,000. Say now 60,000 people now he vote for Governor Godwin Obaseki from Esan land. So for that reason, it's like he's trying to let you people know, say, he's trying to let you people know, say, una agenda, now voice me, they go later. Since now 60,000. So at the end of the day now, in they try to let una know how una want to kajo Edo North, how una want to kajo Edo South. Since una don they divide una self because they are so they want to start the music. It's possible if master don't send a message. At the end of the day now they surprise say they suspend the PDP local government whatever. May I even go look for her? Because I don't want to talk with him and not see. If a governor is suspending this, is suspending that, is suspending that, then you go know, say the governor get his own agenda. The governor get his own agenda. He get his own people where be say, he want just put there. He want put there. And a person like the Governor Godwin Obaseki, is a man that we all should know that our governor, our Edo State governor, Godfather. Now Godfather. We cannot be Godfather because we can work. Adansali Oshomole not be Godfather because they work. Mentor way they tell you say do the right thing for your people so that you will have a good name. Now good mentor be that. You might call it Godfather no problem. But now good mentor now be that. Okay. A local government party chairman. Okay. Manfred Ekundayo and the secretary Moses Osaume say suspended. Can you imagine? Now in a governor send that back because they know say they don't make the calculation. Say this is the agenda now only 60,000 votes. Now 60,000 votes for Abba to come out to contest they say now 60,000 votes now I come out from Esan land. So meaning now voice me on agenda they go. Now voice me, they won't just start and down now. Because now when Governor Obaseki enter position, now they begin use Adansali Oshomole te sing Godfather. Now Esa agenda now be the real topic now where they want start. That tomorrow now he go base them on the blame now tomorrow he go blame now go Esa land. And they tell you now. He go say because of Esa agenda they not let him work. And they tell you now. He go fit come out now tomorrow now can't tell the whole world say because of Esa agenda PDP no agree make him restructure the party, make him for appoint commissioners. He's ready to come out and say everything because after all, 15 billion naira for Edo money don't enter voice me. Now, Esa and gender now they want pull leg. At the end of the day, he go say because PDP want Esa agenda. So because in that they now say he need to work, but because of Esa agenda, they no agree making restructure the party, making for appoint people, make them begin their work. Now that one go be their topic now. Since Albert don't start them, Albert not just they start something where governor no know. Albert not they start something where governor no know. That's why I said the governor not recognize the work. Now there be your problem, Albert, and shame on you. Shame on you. You said you have 300 and something thousand followers. But at the end of the day, the governor that you are supporting, the governor that you are creating chaos for yourself for, you are creating chaos for yourself, my brother. The truth. I will come out and tell you the truth. You are creating chaos for yourself because of one man. At the end of the day, the man did not recognize you to come to your platform and make live video with you once. He not come. Rather, he's doing a Zoom meeting with somebody in United Kingdom. Dave David, I greet you, my brother. He's doing a live video, Zoom meeting with somebody in United Kingdom. Meanwhile, you, the political legbuke in Benin City, he didn't recognize you. He only recognized you. See, how about me, I tell you. Governor Obaseki even thinks say you be Agbeu too, my brother. Because who want to associate themselves with Agbeu? You are just a political legbuke to him. An errand boy. Use your brain. Use your brain, Albert. The truth being told, Albert, use your brain. Because how can you labor, recruit a lot of people, but at the end of the day, if the governor get any topic, anything special where he want to address, now United Kingdom Zoom meeting they go. Your 300 and something thousand followers platform where you get, is it for what? It's for nothing. So it shows the governor also don't want you to grow. If the governor want make you grow, make you get bigger platform, he go for see they come out for your own platform too. They talk to the address those people because after all, now you make the governor popular. About if you don't know, you are not smart to think about that. Where Bugbo, as you where we win and not wake be. Where create enmity here, man. You are insulting people here and there. You are insulting Edo prominent men, Edo sons and daughters because of one person. But if that person want to do something important, he is going across all the way. He will cross Edo land, he will cross Lagos. He is going to United Kingdom to speak, to let his voice know to Edo people. But you that is creating enmity for yourself, you are insulting everywhere. You insult Pa Kapteosa. You insult Pa Oshomole. You insult a lot of Edo sons and daughters. Even Comrade Tony Kabaka, you insult him. You insult him all because of him. But I never see the governor for your platform till today. Your 300,000 followers is useless. If the governor cannot recognize your platform, if the governor cannot come out in your platform and come and address Edo people also in your platform, rather, Comrade Show platform now 8,000 followers. He not even reach 1/4 of your followers where you get. But yet, don't you know that the governor also classify you as an Agbero? We're not your Agbeo. But the governor himself classify you as an Agbeo. So he knows say the dirty job, the smelly job, now that one you good for. Can't you wise up and retrace your step? Now you, after you don't insult Edo people. Because you see now, somebody come and say, they tell you, say, may you stay off some people. It's true, stay off their matter. Stay off their matter. You not concern you, concern Esa agenda. You not concern you, concern Esa agenda. You are not the mouthpiece of Esa land. You are not the mouthpiece of Esa land. You are not the one to give them advice. Rather, give that advice to Governor Godwin Obaseki. Address the issue in Edo land. Tell Governor Obaseki how to make Edo land. Just even half of Lagos, even 1/4 of Lagos. Tell her make he address Edo land. Make he make Edo just 1/4 of Lagos. Governor Sanwo-Olu bought thousands of buses. Thousands. Governor Sanwo-Olu bought thousands of buses. Not be say, they not say 100. They say thousands. Meanwhile, your governor is spending billions. He's spending billions. Governor Obaseki is spending billions for nothing. Nothing to show for it. The projects that he's spending the billions on, they are all on where? On Facebook and Google. Sanwo-Olu is spending millions. Sanwo-Olu not they spend billions. He they spend millions. And the project, they are all on ground in Lagos. I don't know be Lagos. Togberians. I don't know be Lagos. So Lagos State Governor don't buy. Barely 2 years. The governor, they transform the state. Is giving the state, is lifting the state up to at least to high level, high grade. Why I don't know be Lagos? I don't they sink, they go. Seaport, na no get. Even one time, he even follow Aliko Dangote go Dangote refinery for Lagos. Me and think say maybe that refinery one connect with the one where they say he get for Edo. A 01 no. Edo people, now laugh we go just dey laugh una. The truth. Togberians now laugh we go just dey laugh una. Because a lot of una see good man wey wan repair the land. Because of sentiment, because of vaccination, somebody come brainwash una. Yes, oh yeah, the agenda is going on voice me. And they tell una, the agenda is going on voice me. They are preparing grant for Shaibu. They are preparing grant for Shaibu, but Deputy Governor Philip Shaibu, Benin people, they do one thing. The same thing you join Benin people to do to Adam Sali Oshomole, they are also going to do the same thing to you. You know? So take it. It's the same thing. You also, if you are planning to become a governor in the near future, please, sir, retrace your step. After this, just go and be doing business. Retrace your step. Because a dope person, they will not vote for you. They will not vote for you. The truth. Because they brainwash Asa people that they will have agenda. There is nothing like Asa agenda. Now here bad they come and come say yes. See now only 60,000 votes now una fit bring come. Only 60,000 votes now it come out from Asa land. So it's to tell una say nothing like that. And another issue where it dey ground because I don't want to stay long my people. This stainless and Abatobaze matter. My people, you know they shameful to una. You know they shameful to una. Say na Edo state money. Edo state money where they go for still use they do one thing for Edo land. Now these two people they come social media can't talk. Now they the thing fear me. This now governor way say you know they share money. He begin lavish money on normal person. He gives Taylor's $5,000. Baba Nagi said good evening. He gives Taylor's $5,000. How much you not sure say the governor go give her back way they do that wedding? I will not sure say he support Abatobaze for that wedding. So meaning Abat were you recruiting people? Now question they ask. Were you recruiting people because you were sharing from that same high currency, foreign currency that the governor was giving that is why you were recruiting them? 800,000. There are many for this social media. It can't be say even we that time where we they support POI. We not get voice for this social media the way where these people take career. Even because of I can't they see when sellers they talk. It get one time where Comrade Tony Kabaka get problem issue with somebody for social media here. Say let's come out. He begin fight. Say yes, Comrade Tony Kabaka na my brother, na my uncle, na my cousin. He they come my papa house. He they do this. He begin talk everything about Comrade Tony Kabaka. But I was surprised that Stainless could sell it so our own brother, our own uncle, for mere pieces of dollars. During the election, I know Stainless come and begin to insult Kabaka. Begin to talk to Ram anyhow. Begin to mash line because dollar, foreign currency don't enter her hand. Who na one compare now? Who na one compare? The governor say they share money. They say making can share money. Now making all use 4 years say work when it the APC. They say making can share money. Albert, can you let the world know how much Edo money where the governor use still they support you during the time where you want marry? Where we get governor he get do ere marriage ni? See, my people, you see this thing, when sellers they leak, they confess. Now confession should they do. Now confession should they do. When should they do that confession? At the end of the day, you go see, say, this problem, Albert fuck up. Albert fuck up. Albert Obaze fuck up. Because you know if you carry somebody, go see somebody, at the end of the day, the money when they give that person, then you can say make una share. Because maybe na so Albert they do one. Is kill and divide. So maybe all those people where Albert carry go there. It's possible now so they do the kill and divide. He can't be say, he can't do the kill and divide with somebody where be say, her mouth no they cover. Her mouth no they cover. That at the end of the day, somebody like Stainless tomorrow now, you cannot do anything secret with her. Because at the end of the day, that secret, she's coming to leak it out. You see the shame and disgrace. Now shame and disgrace for Governor Godwin Obaseki body. The truth. It's shame and disgrace because this is a governor who came out. They said I should share money. They said I should share money. I don't want to share money. I don't want to share money. How can you share money for somebody who just shake hands? She shake hands with you for just barely 5 minutes. You are giving an envelope of $5,000. To do what? What is she going to do with $5,000? Not even in naira. Not even in naira. Then they see 200,000 naira. No. It's possible now so if they share the money they go. Now so if they share and now currency, foreign currency in they share. Now foreign currency. And it's possible that 15 billion naira where would they talk? Now see in dollars. Now see in dollars. Now dollars is used to pay PDP. If you can pay all those 3 candidates for PDP with dollars, it's possible now dollars is still used to pay PDP. Our governor no get Nigerian money, no get naira. Our Edo State governor get foreign currency. The foreign currency where he be say in the distribute. Mr. Governors, I beg you in the name of God. At least Edo people they said we are 5 million or so. Can you also share $1,000 for Edo people? Just give each and every individual. We know they ask for plenty now. We know ask say may you give us plenty. No give us like the one where you give Stainless, so I beg you. No give us $5,000. We no want. Just give each person for a dollar since you are a cheerful giver, Mr. Governor. Give each person $1,000. It's not too big. If you can buy that $1,000, it not even reach 15 billion where he give PDP. He reach. He not even reach. Combine the one where he take bribe, where he take give them Ogbede Yama and others. He reach. He not reach. If the governor give each Edo individual $1,000, they say making share money. They just carry as a slogan. Sometimes my people, I they tell you now, it gets some kind of things where be say, some people go they talk, but you go they think say na truth. But at the end of the day, na lie. A leru no manager moenji ge bama ugi asin. A leru na because some people get that thing for their tongue. The moment they don't talk and come out, it don't finish. It don't finish. A lot of innocent people those days where me I know say somebody go just go thief. He go just come to that person join and say, this person deal, this person deal, this person deal. And that person are innocent. They not go fit deny her. They no go fit deny am, no matter how you go try your best to remove yourself from that problem. You can never. You no go fit come out from that problem. Because the person where he talk devil just give am mark for his tongue, say anywhere where you for lie, that lie people must believe you. Now be wetin they go on so. Tomorrow now he go come out, he go say PDP say because of a certain agenda they no gree make employ people. They no gree make I do my cabinet. They no gree make I employ commissioner. They no gree make I do this one for Edo land. At the end of the day, that 4 years, they go use and sing. You see before, now court them be the user and they sing court this POI, you people should let him walk. Now PDP now. Now PDP now. Because that ESA agenda, they want destroy him for their hand. They want crumble the ESA agenda for their hand. They want just finish him for their hand. Now he make them they fight now guru. Tomorrow now. Now ESA agenda, he want you stay follow PDP fight. He go come say because of ESA agenda, PDP no green making get a cabinet. At the end of the day, 4 years go just complete. Nothing to show for it. The first 4 years we use for APC, he used Godfather and sharing of money. They talk. These next 4 years, I pray, may God not let her be. But this one way in there so. Now ESA agenda and PDP no agree making get a cabinet because he don't start to the suspend left and right. Suspension don't dey left and right. At the end of the day, when I come hear a lot of people when they go suspend tomorrow. 4 years go just see end like that. 4 years go end like that. He no go do anything, and so he go carry his bag. But meanwhile, the security vote money where federal government they give him, they collect them. The federal allocation where federal government they give him, they collect them. Now ESA agenda and PDP matter, now he go use this 4 years to sing for Edo people here. Believe me. He go create chaos here, there. Then he go carry a bag, he go come out. But meanwhile, the federal allocation money, he no go use and to do one thing, one single thing. How can you give somebody $5,000? Because he can't shake your hand. After that one, don't collect money finish, you can't use and they insult your family member for social media. Can't they wash prominent Edo people for social media? Like say tomorrow, no day. Nobody, I don't know say now because of say they give them foreign currency. Where it be said they never see before. Can you imagine? He go APC, create chaos. We tell them, Baba Amas, not true, now they're not listening, they're not 1 year. Even PDP, they were jubilating when the governor, they come there. They were jubilating, they begin carry umbrella. Carry umbrella, go they buy umbrella. They even the light where Baba Oshopu for Ring Road, they paint everything with umbrella. Today now the umbrella now they don't throw away now. If they suspend all of them now, left and right, left and right, left and right. How can one person become a problem for different party? One person become a big problem for one party to another. You dey APC, you use Godfather, you use sharing of money. Me, they ask you now, Mr. Governor. Now, comrade can't tell you now, say, make you give foreign currency to stainless. Now, comrade now can't tell you now, say, make you give foreign currency to Ogbede Yama, Rice Man, Gideoni, I don't know what that they call all of them. Now, comrade now tell you, say, make you buy PDP, come out to small plastic card with 15 billion naira. And those people supposed to ask question. Just for small card, our governor make PDP become the most expensive political party in the history of Nigeria. Just to cross over. Also, when what not done the right say Governor Wike cannot be a godfather in Edo land. Can you imagine? All this now waiting they don't arrange down. The chaos where they want create for PDP. Ogbane PDP. Una umbrella. If una see and say rain they fall, if una open na, e no carry rain, while mona cover the umbrella. Cover the umbrella. Cover am because the time where they enter, a lot of even Chief Tomikimi, all of them line up for line one certain time. They go they see am for Osadebe Avenue. They all we are taking na the doyat Emilesio Kuzebu day. Na nice cow they come from Uzebu. Then no say na chaos he want to create. And these 4 years now, ESA agenda on voice me. Political leg book about Obaze don't they use and sing. Mr. Governor, sir, I beg, give Edo people $1,000. Since you are a cheerful giver. Your mate, they are using their federal allocation to do something good in their land, in their state. How can Governor Sanwo-Olu buy thousands of buses and our governor not fit buy even 2? He got a panel bit. That car where he bring come out. Now the car where he be say, una no say, some people where tell us say, they no want follower. When they come the camp, they leave and then they say they no want the camp, go PDP. Una hear one time where he say, make all of them bring the car where they give them. Make them return the car. My man tell me say, now that car now ain't go carry, go give Panebita, make them Panebita again. Carry, go give those vigilantes. He no buy. He no buy. Imo State governor, they buy nice car. Make they take secure the land. Not be say, you no get security votes. Where he be say, in they collect every month. How can one person enter this party, he create chaos. He go the other party, he create chaos. Then who is the problem in the land then? Who is the problem in the land then? Who is the one creating calamity in the land then? Because you will not fit just say PDP no good, APC no good. Because they say, beneath the user and make parable say, person way say, this one no good, this one no good, this one no good. Then you go no say, nah, he no good. Nah, he no good. The governor need to tread with caution because he not get one thing where he don't do for Edo land. All the achievements, all of them, they Google and Facebook. All the achievements, just Google and Obaseki. You go see all the projects, all of them, they Google. But they're not there, Edo land. That $5,000, it go for rich people wait, all those laborers for Iyao, and we continue to repeat it. Those laborers for Iyao, they go for just use and take dig those gutter. Under 1 week, I'm not sure say erosion go for just a full everywhere because gutter don't. You give tailors $5,000. How much you can't give Abatobaze your political leg bouquet when he want do his marriage? How much? And that one go come out, come open him mouth, gra. They talk anyhow. But you will be say you dey labor in vain. You dey labor in vain. The truth be told. I don't know why. I don't know. I don't people know they listen. Until that should don't pain them for leg before they'll come they cry. Come on. Tomorrow now, this say governor now. Una know now the time where be say they come they oh lucky Gbenejo we want to lucky. Later when it come wetin happen. Now the same thing they won't do to this Obaseki. Osamore say na me know my people. Na me know Edo people. When the time come, you go see the kind way where the hotel they swear for Obaseki they go. Na me know my people. A lot of them now no want talk now. Tomorrow now the first come and say, and so we talk. The governor not good. The governor not good. The governor not good. Una don't share 4+4 finish now. PDP, power to the people. PDP, power to the people. Where he lead una now? Where he lead una to now? Power to the people. Where he can't lead una now? The governor ready to scatter the party. Because he is not a politician. He is not a politician. He's not a politician. Edo not supposed to deal with person who will not be politician. The governor is not a politician. That's why he doesn't know what to do. when there is crisis. He doesn't know what to do. He doesn't know how to bargain. Any politician that doesn't know how to bargain is not a politician. For that reason, Governor Godwin Obaseki is not a politician. Rather, he's just a businessman who had the opportunity to come and rule Edo land. Now, with sweet maths, 419 way, now he rule Edo land. Now, with sweet maths, not be say he just come there. Una see how Planwell finish Edo land. He finished a lot of people then jump for motor those days when Planwell carry their money. Today now, he just tell una say I know come Planwell una. The federal allocation where they come, I go they put them for my pocket. The security vote where they come, I go they put them for my pocket. The internal revenue where they come, I go they put them for my pocket. Una go draw they cry. That one pass Planwell. That one pass Planwell. He lock up Edo in all way. He lock up Edo land. He put the key for in your pocket. He ain't we on a gbisan yo. He ain't we on a gbisan yo. Edo State in America where governor go they get foreign currency, they dash people. For you, stainless, you betray the trust. Now, so I go talk that to Namata Rich. You betray the trust. Even the governor tomorrow cannot trust you again. Governor Godwin Obaseki cannot trust you again, stainless. Because the secret way they do for inside, where it be say a lot of us be not know say the governor beligo kwa, governor way say he know they share money, governor way say they say making share money, though people can't join hand with them, though people can't a lot of Togberians both home and abroad, they can't they say though money is for though people, though money cannot be shared, though money cannot be shared, but they don't know say the governor is sharing it in a high currency. Not even in naira. Stainless, even Governor Godwin Obaseki will not even want to see you tomorrow because you betray the trust. You leak his secret out. You make a lot of us now to know, say, if they share money, he not even they share in naira. Now in high currency, they share. In high currency. Ogbede Yama carry in millions of dollars now in enter house. Rice man carry in millions of dollars, they enter house. We know the year of them again. But how about where be say they greedy of money? How about Obase they greedy of money? How can you share somebody money with that person and then you now come out to come and tell the world that this person a dog? Come on now. After you don't follow and share from the money, you will be say you be the governor right hand man. Person where he come from Europe, the governor give her $5,000. You can't they follow and they eat from the money. Abat, shame on you. The truth be told, shame on you, Abat. When money no they satisfy you, at the end of the day, that person will always be a slave to money. The truth, look at your body, my dear brother Abat. Go and clean up yourself. Go and clean up yourself. You look like a mess upon all those money that you are collecting in foreign currency and you still look like that. When you go organic cream go and look for people that will give you organic cream so that you can use it to beautify yourself upon all the foreign currency that you are collecting both in naira and in dollars. I'm ashamed of you people. I'm ashamed. The truth being told, now the governor then disgrace. They not disgrace me. They not disgrace you. But they vindicate POI. They vindicate Comrade Adam Sali Oshomole. They vindicate a lot of people. They vindicate Kabaka. They vindicate a lot of people. Say the governor, they share foreign currency. This na governor where he cry to Edo people say they say making can share money. They say making can share money for some House of Assembly member for this, for that. Go look the House of Assembly till today. That place. I think during the election time when they want put the other 14 House of Assembly, then go remove the roof. I think said the governor said they want elect they want renovate. They don't renovate the House of Assembly. They don't renovate. Una don't see the way. Una don't see the new pattern of the House of Assembly. No. He only just removed the roof. He abandoned her there. That one up to sink Edo land. The governor is ready to destroy the land. After all, he know they stay there. Now Lagos in for con rule una. Now they are shame for Edo people pass, my people. Now they are shame for Edo people pass. Somebody who came from Lagos all the way will now come and sit down and be telling you what to do. Person where you don't even know the name of the street where nearer. Person where you don't even sabi speak Bini. Una wana obvious wana where a foreign currency governor or wangwalo. Waga nenigo. But give Edo people $1,000. We not ask for 5,000. The one where you give say less. Give Edo people $1,000. The widow, the 1 billion naira you promise them. We never still see her. You only say it with your mouth, Mr. Governor. It's so shameful. It's so shameful. Also, when holding, he even better say these few months where the governor did there, make him even go reverse, go sit down. Make Governor Wike come sit down for Edo land. If you dey talk, first look person where you be say you want go challenge. No carry your mouth even go Wike. No carry your mouth go Wike because in all ramification, Governor Godwin Obaseki no do 3/4. 1/4 of what Governor Wike don't do for people. Say Godfather. Godfather, person wey be Godfather, he dey do everywhere. He dey make the state beautiful. Who no one be Godfather, demolish Edo land, destroy everything, destroyable. My people, now here I want cut them off. I want call it a day because at the end of the day, this is their matter. Then use and disgrace themselves. Now the governor then use and disgrace. Stay less, confess from today, go reach tomorrow. Nothing where she go talk when be say, I go see say na new thing. Because at the end of the day, person where he be say, he come and come talk to your family member, all because of tachere money, foreign currency. Come insult who he not supposed to insult. All because of money. They come they fly beret. Talk about 4+4. Orange beret. I don't know who give them orange. I don't know who give them orange. Where they come they fly up and down. No, I don't refuse now. So since they're not going to make a correct mistake, nobody is perfect. We are all bound to make mistake. But whenever you make mistake, you have to correct it. Is what Baba Osho try to do. But at the end of the day, though people say now waiting they want be this. So it's good. Tomorrow now you go see here confession. But now disgrace that they disgrace the governor. They make a lot of us know now say Governor Obaseki is not a man that stand by his word. Because if you say you are not sharing money, don't share any money to any individual. So meaning you no want share for the political party where it be say they help you work. You didn't want to, no politician they go for money. No be today are they inside politics. No be today. This now waiting we grow come meet where be say we really know tough people. Those days where they play politics. There is no politician that will come to you and tell you, give me money. Rather they will tell you now contract that they look for. Contract where be say the boys where then you stay work, then go give those boys. Once you give them contract, say now you carry this contract, go do this one, carry that contract, go do. Now contract politicians they look for. There is no politician that will come to you and come and tell you, give me foreign currency. Whereby he know say, he get boys as a mentor, he get boys where work with her. Like Baba Kabaka that day. Comrade Tony Kabaka had boys. That is why he didn't settle for money. He was looking for job allocation where he be say, you go give him your own project. Say this, Kabaka, Comrade Tony Kabaka, go and control these things. At the end of the day, he go employ boys. Oh, bonana sameko bonana sameko bona. That is what real politicians are doing. There is no politician that will ask you for money. No way, you know they. E no dey, my people. But the governor come, he can't brainwash a lot of Edo people. They fall for inside. Share money, share money. Which politician they share money? Politician they want where e be say, then go they eat, their boys go they eat. Arm robber no go come too much. Cultists no go come they kill themselves. Because boys wey dey market since money they cut ticket. Or who they control bus driver, they control this, they do this. They no go see time, they go they create chaos. Or say they want go they thief. Or they want go they kill themselves. Because they are busy 247. The economy of the state will grow. Not be the one where it be say eternal revenue money where they go collect from a donut. Only you want Holland. Money where they go collect for Eastern land. Only you want Holland. Money where they go collect for Benin Edo land. Only you want Holland. Where fiano my baby. We are hearing more contract. If you want to bring contract away, you want to do this thing. Now through your free invest. So meaning you are ruling Edo State as your own personal business. You are ruling Edo State as your own personal business. That is the reason Edo State did not move forward. That is the reason Edo State is dying. Edo State is dying. Edo State is dying. If he want to sign contract, he will go give his own free invest in your company. Work pajari. Where you they carry the money go? No one politician, my people, make una not believe that brainwash. No one politician where they say, give me for okay, as you give Taylors $5,000 that day now, then you can't share the $5,000, give all the politicians. Oh, I mean, take binyane by now. Then go for them, they hungry. But they look for where they want work. Where their boys want work too. My people, I call it a day, yeah. Tomorrow is school. Thank you all so much. I greet you all. Our Governor Godwin Obaseki, if you know you want to destroy the land, please, sir, carry your bag. Just go Lagos, jejeje. After all, a lot of people don't know you. Now, Baba Osho make people know you. And the second error now from Abatobaze. Now, Abatobaze create the chaos where they the land so. Now, Abatobaze now create the chaos where they the land so. Abba destroy a lot of things. He even insult his own blood brother, all because he want to become notice me. He insult his own blood brother, call his own blood brother madman. Upon your 300,000 platform, now the governor not recognize you one day. Use your sense, Abat. Now, advice they give you here, so use your head. Go sit down, think am. Upon you insult Baba Osho, you insult Baba Kapteosa, you insult Baba Kabaka, you insult every Edo sons and daughters, name it all. And yet, the governor, they shame of you to say, he want come sit down with you. They talk or they address through your platform. You know, they think and say, the governor, they call you Agbeo too. If they call you Agbeo, how can a governor leave you, abandon you with your big platform? Can't go person where get 8,000 followers where they UK. You see, huh? Who want to gam you can't about? Go sit down, think am. All this error where you don't create for yourself, so go look for way how you go take beg these people. Beg everybody that you have offended, one way or the other. Beg and beg your own blood brother. Beg Baba Osho, beg Baba Kabaka, beg Baba Kapteosa, beg everybody you have insulted because the governor did not recognize you. The governor is even ashamed of you. If you dress, come out, Abat, go come wear shirt, finish, go come go put one useless beret on top. Where they go am be? We are native, come go they fly beret on top of native. What kind of nonsense is that? You destroy everywhere. Insult Pastor Sege Zeyamu. Recruit people to insult the man for just no reason. At the end of the day, whoever a platform were not big. Is that not shameful? If not me be you, I go the shame. Anything politics as you talk that day, you are for not just put mouth again. You are for not put mouth. And don't be a slave to money. Return the money where sellers give you. Return our money giver. The truth. Look for our family, return that money, give am in dollar. Return and give am. Before you can address Celeste's issue, return that money and give it to her. You are too big to collect a tachere money ni kinya. A tachere money ni kinya as the political legbuke where you be. I no can't insult you, but I just want to advise you. Make you dey use brain for some kind things. Use brain for some kind things about. Return that money, go give our children the money. Our children, they be need there. Give our children the money where they share give you. Before you cannot come out to come and talk. Don't be a slave to money. You dey sell and you dey do CFO. You be political legbuke for Obaseki. Now all angle you dey get money. Not be money where be say the governor, the sharer, they are sharing money. They are printing money, they are sharing money. While Edo State governor is now sharing his own in high currency, in foreign currency. Federal government, they are printing money, sharing it in Naira. And you now, you are not printing. But you are sharing your own in foreign currency, Mr. Governor. Dollars. One a million. Edo people, I greet you now. Thank you all so much. Good night, my people. God bless you all. I call it a day.